Want to stop someone from contacting you on Google Meet? Here's the best way in under a minute. Step 1. Open contacts.google.com and sign in with the same Google account you use for Meet. Search the person's name or email in Contacts and open their profile. Click the three-dot menu on their card and choose Block. Confirm block when prompted. This stops messages and invites from that contact across Google services. Verify they now appear under blocked contacts in your settings. Step 2. Open meet.google.com and start or schedule a meeting from your account. In meeting settings, turn off quick access so only invited participants can join directly. Under host controls, limit who can join and who can present during the meeting. If someone unwanted is already in the meeting, remove them from participants and then block them in contacts or chat. For recurring meetings, update calendar invites and restrict guest permissions by editing the event. You're all set. Subscribe for quick Google Meet tips and tutorials.